HDFC Bank may not seek any kind of legal damage from former chairman Atanu Chakraborty, and why we are saying so, because we have understood through sources that the scope of the law firms which has been mandated to provide a review to the bank includes internal processes, check, governance, and not necessarily any kind of seeking of legal damage. In fact, the bank, we have understood through sources, that is of the view that it does not want to get entangled any kind of legal battle in the long run. In fact, what it wants is the processes check, if at all it is needed. Now, what is the whole matter? The matter came into the spotlight ever since Atanu Chakraborty had put in his resignation letter, and the wordings were personal values and ethics in the matter. While on the one hand, bank was maintaining they do not know why actually Atanu Chakraborty had put in his papers, but Atanu Chakraborty in his comments has clearly stated that yes, there were reasons, there were personal values, incongruence. In fact, he has mentioned the specific issues of governance. He has mentioned specific cases of Dubai branch as well as the performance of the bank. And even on ET Now, we have reported earlier on 20th of March 1st that three of its employees, three of HDFC Bank's employees have been fired, and this was regarding the mis-selling of 81 bonds which happened in the Dubai branch. But the buck doesn't stop here. We have understood that 12 more employees on action has been taken by the bank. And what are these actions? This is a recall of ESOPs or bonuses. So all in all, banks want to show that it is not leaving any stone unturned. If at all action needs to be taken on the employees, whether involved directly or indirectly, but more details are emerging on that front as well. Remember, last year Dubai financial regulator had put in an embargo on the bank, meaning you cannot have new customers in the Dubai branch. And what were the reasons? The reasons are interesting. The Dubai regulator had clearly mentioned for over 5 years, bank did not check the processes. It was aware about the flaws which are there in the processes, and more importantly, the selling of 81 bonds, meaning the customers were not clearly informed that you are going to get a risky product. And after that, the final review was done by Dubai regulator, and hence that kind of embargo was put in. But now the governance part is in public domain, and therefore we have seen that HDFC Bank is taking several kind of steps on that front.